Okay, students, let us start reading the poem line to line. A photograph by Shirley Pelson. The cardboard shows me how it was. Me here refers to the poetess Shirley. The cardboard is that refers to the photograph, shows me, tells me how it was about the situation when the photograph was clicked. When two girl cousins, they are the cousins of the poet's mother, went paddling. Paddling, I told you, walking on the water in the sea, each one holding off my mother's hand. My mother refers to the poet's mother. Each one, that means two cousins, girls, each one holding one of my mother's hand, and she, the big girl, she refers to the poet's mother because she was the big girl at that time, some 12 years or so. You can imagine how big she was. She was hardly 12 years or so, like this. All three stood still. Who are these three? These are the poet's mother and two cousins. They were standing still to smile through their hair. They were giving the side pose to the uncle, at the uncle with the camera. The man who was going to click the picture, they were looking at the man, a sweet face. It was the poet's mother's face, sweet, because she was at that time hardly 12 years of girl. 12 years of girl is very cute, very innocent. My mother's. It is explained whose face was it? Poet's mother. That was before I was born. I means the poet. Obviously, I told you the mother was hardly 12 years of age. So after that she grew up, she got married, and then the poetess was born. So it was a time, at that time when the mother was hardly 12 years of age, when this photograph was taken, she was having a very cute, very sweet, very innocent face. My mother's, that was before I was born, and the sea, which appears to have changed less. Because what is to change in the sea? Same water, same waves, they come. A very minute change you can observe in the sea, but there was a change in the poet's mother. She was at that time hardly 12 years of age, then she grew up. The face, the size were changing, the girl was growing up, washed their terribly transient feet. Terribly transient means ever changing, very soon changing. So the marks of the feet were changing because the girl was growing day by day, and the water of the sea was washing those transient feet. Some 20-30 years later, some 20-30 years, you need to calculate. She was hardly 12 years at that time, plus 20 or 30, that means 32 or 42. She grew up, she got married, and now, when she is about 42 years of age, when the girl is born, now the poet is also 10 or 12 years of age, approximately. So at that moment, she would laugh at the snapshot. Here she refers to the poet's mother. She would laugh. Whenever you see a photograph of your childhood, you really laugh. You remember some interesting moment of your childhood. Then she would say, see, the things are in quotes. See, Betty and Dolly. These are the names of two cousin sisters. She would say, and look how they dressed. She used to tell me, just see how your aunts were dressed for the beach. Their parents, how they used to dress us for the sea holiday. When we go to sea at that moment to celebrate or to enjoy a holiday, how we were dressed was her past. That sea holiday, this enjoyment is the past, because now she grew up, she got married, she gave birth to a child, and now we have come to know that she is no more. So these things have become the things of past. Mine is her laughter. The laughter is also now a matter of past because the mother is no more. So I couldn't enjoy her laughter, her memories when she used to look at the cardboard. Both vary, both are trying to bear with the labored ease of loss. Underline this line for RTC also, for important question also. Why? Because the mother at that moment When she used to look at the cardboard and remember her childhood, she used to try to bear the loss. Loss of what? Loss of childhood, loss of those sweet days. And the girl, the poet, is also trying to bear this, has to bear this loss, the loss of her mother. Both have lost something in their life. The mother lost the childhood, and the poet lost the mother. Now she has been dead nearly as many as years. How many years have gone? She has been dead as that girl lived. That girl means that girl in the photograph. She was hardly of 12 years of age. So, approximately 12 years have gone. The mother is dead now. And of this circumstance, underline the line, this circumstance means about this photograph. When the photograph was taken, what was the moment at that time, how they used to enjoy. About this circumstance, there is nothing to say at all, because whatever was told by the mother, that has been told by the poet to us. But now mother is no more to explain anything else about the photograph, so the poet also has nothing to share with us. So it's silence, silences. Again, underline the line. Why? Because it is a silent, it is a still photograph. It's not a video, then we can rewind it again and again and see what is going on, where we can listen it. No, as it was a still photograph, it is a silent photograph. It's a silence. Silence is everything. Nobody has anything or any words to say about this photograph. That's all about the poem. I hope it's very much clear to you. In the next video, I'll send to you the artists and the textual question answer that is to be written in your notebook.